Ladies, if you wear wigs, weaves, braids, or extensions,
and if you're tender-headed like me,
or tangle just like me,
or have thick hair like mine,
or hate getting your hair combed,
keep watching!
Hi guys, thanks for checking out another TM Hair Products video. Her hair is really that thick, y'all. It's no synthetic hair in her hair. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to take her braid loose to prepare her hair to be detangled. As always, you know I like to separate the hair in sections, and grabbing a small section at the nape is where I like to begin. I like to spray the hair with water to make the hair a little more pliable, and then I like to add the Smooth Through Detangler, and that's what we'll be using to detangle her hair. TM Hair Products Smooth Through Detangler. Now, she has more knots and tangles at the root of her hair because her hair is very thick. So that's where I start, and that's where my focus is. I start at the root to work the detangler in, and then I use a fine-tooth comb starting from the ends. Always detangle your hair from the ends and work your way up to the root. Now, with this section, I'm going to use a wider tooth comb because in the nape area, she has more single-strand knots, so that's why I had to use a finer tooth comb. So again, you see as I work it in the root, and then I apply a little bit down the length of her hair to detangle the rest of her hair. But her problems are more at the root, her tangles and knots. So if your tangles and knots are more at the ends, that's where you'll focus. Her hair is completely detangled. I'm going to put her hair in a large twist and a bantu knot. I'm going to shampoo her hair with the twists in her hair. I'm going to undo the bantu knot, leaving the twist. I'm going to completely rinse the detangler from her hair. This is not a leave-in. You do not leave this detangler in your hair because it can over moisturize your hair and your hair be very mushy over time. So I'm going to rinse the detangler from her hair, shampoo it, and now we're ready to deep condition. So we're deep conditioning. Her hair has been detangled, shampooed, deep conditioned, and blow dried. Now we're going to silk press her hair. I do not add any oils, silk serums, anything to her hair. I have new subscribers, so I have to repeat this because it's been a while since I've done a silk press video. I don't add anything to her hair. When you use the detangler as a deep conditioner, this is the shine it leaves on her hair. I don't use anything else. And I want to give you guys a close-up of her scalp with me silk pressing her scalp. I mean, not silk pressing her scalp, silk pressing the roots. Somebody called Children's Services on me.
Okay, this is the silk press. No oils on her hair, no silk serums, no nothing at this point. Now we are going to go in to cut off her little split ends.
cut off.
And maybe give her some curls if she want. If not, just leave it just super straight. Okay, guys, we'll be right back. Let me get set up so I can start cutting. Okay, guys. Sit back and let the people see your hair.
Kids, don't listen to your parents.
Don't listen to your parents because they'll cut your hair. Always be a rebel.
No.
Always be a rebel. At least you'll have your hair. Okay, guys, let me get it ready. You want to say bye while it's long and silky?
Bye, hair.
Okay, turn. Before the cut. Okay, I parted her hair in a horseshoe at the top. I went across the back from ear to ear, taking her hair like so, pulling it out. And anywhere there are, like, see here on the ends where her ends are split or damaged, that's what we're taking off. So you see here, let me turn it this way. So you see where all of that looks all damaged. We're just gonna take that off. So now it looks nice and healthy.
Doesn't look healthy to me.
Okay, that is after the trim. No curls have been added. She didn't even let me go brush it up good before she wanted to see it. So this is after the trim, and she actually really liked the look. As you can see here, she really liked the look of her hair once I cut it. She could see the difference in the way her hair looked, and that's what I was trying to explain to her. We just add a little bump, very little. This is before the bump, and the other picture is after the bump. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye, guys.